Alright, let's play a game. We've got 3 playing cards, right? The first card is this card. So lay that down. The second card is also this card. So lay that down. The third card is that card. So if we take that card and put it on the bottom, where's that card? On the bottom, right? No, that's also this card. So that card must be on top. Nope, that's also this card. But maybe that card's in the middle. Nope, that's also this card. I know what you're thinking. I've got 3 this cards. No, because that card's on the bottom. And if you look on top, that card's also on top. But let's take a look in the middle. It's also that card. Well, you're probably thinking I've got 3 that cards. Nope, I got this card, and this card. Now I know what you're thinking, I'm probably cheating. And you're right, because I've got this card, that card,